guys, it's Kerry. Lots of interesting sea animals today. I've added my favorite sharks and whales, crocodiles and seabirds, new sea animals and much more. Flying fish are able to propel themselves out of the water. Weedy sea dragon, they have small leaf-like appendages that resemble kelp fronds. Seahorse, they mate for life. They are the only animal species where the male bears the unborn young. Salmon, they are considered anadromous, which means they live in both freshwater and saltwater. Shrimp, they are decapod crustaceans with elongated bodies. Starfish, they are echinoderms with a 5-point radial symmetry. Giant squid, it has a mantle, 8 arms and 2 longer tentacles. There are hundreds of subspherical suction cups on the inside surfaces of the arms and tentacles. This is how the squid holds onto its prey with the suction. Dungeness crab, their carapace can reach 25 centimeters in width. They must periodically molt the shell to grow. This process is called ecdysis. Hermit crab, their abdomen is not covered by an exoskeleton but is soft and delicate. Blue crab, males are bright blue in colour with white spots and characteristically long chelicpeds. Sally Lightfoot are coastal scavengers found in the Galapagos Islands. King crab, this edible crab is found in the shallow waters off Japan, along the coast of Alaska and the Bering Sea. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Sei whale is among the fastest cetaceans. It can reach speeds up to 50 kilometers per hour. Fin whale, when feeding, they blow 5 to 7 times in quick succession, but while travelling or resting once every minute or two. Minke whale, they are the second smallest baleen whale. Only the pygmy right whale is smaller. Sperm whale, they are very deep divers and may stay submerged from 20 minutes to over an hour. When they come to the surface, they typically blow 20 to 70 times before redescending. They produce a visible spout made by the condensation of the moisture combined with a mucus foam from the sinuses. They are the world's largest toothed whale. Unlike baleen whales, sperm whales are active predators, specializing on giant squids in the deep sea and also eating large bony fishes and sharks. The sperm whale's very large brain and specialized sonar organ, the melon, contribute to its characteristic block-shaped head. It is the only whale that has a head shaped like this, and that makes it very easy to identify. Clawed lobster, they are invertebrates with a hard protective exoskeleton. Like most arthropods, lobsters must shed to grow, which does leave them vulnerable to predators. Pufferfish are poisonous to humans. They have a substance called tetrodotoxin. Moray eel, their eyes are rather small. They rely mostly on their highly developed sense of smell lying in wait to ambush prey. Frogfish, they are a member of the anglerfish family. They are ambush predators. Red-eared slider turtle, they are on the list of the world's 100 most invasive species, mainly because people have kept them as pets and then released them. Reef squid use their long tentacles to pull prey towards their mouth. Nautilus is a pelagic marine mollusk of the cephalopod family. Pleuroceras ammonite was small and had a particularly beautifully ribbed shell with a serrated gill running around the outside. It had a planulate shell with a quadrate whorl section, bearing strong radial ribs ending in ventrolateral tubercles. White crocodile, this is Pearl. She is a rarity in the reptilian world. Hypomelanism, or a reduced quantity of the pigment melanin, caused the animal's snow white skin. The condition is caused by genetics or by excessive heat during the incubation period. With reproduction, courtship takes place in a series of behavioural interactions that include a variety of snout rubbing and submissive display. Copulation occurs in the water and is preceded by a complex courtship in which the animals signal each other using changes in body profile, touch and vocalization. Chemical signals are probably also part of courtship. The male then mounts the back of the female and both animals rotate their tails so that the respective cloacae are brought into contact and the male inserts his penis into the female. Pelican are a genus of large water birds. They are characterized by a long beak and a large throat pouch, which is used for catching prey and draining water from the scooped up contents before swallowing. Puffin, it catches its prey by diving under the water, using its wings for propulsion. Seagull, they nest in large, densely packed, noisy colonies. Albatross are able to glide long distances with their wingspan of 3.7 meters. Blue-footed booby, males display their feet in an elaborate mating ritual by lifting them up and down while strutting before the female. Great white shark is the world's largest known predatory fish. It has 300 teeth, yet does not chew its food. Sharks rip their prey into mouth-sized pieces which are swallowed whole. The shark's heavy torpedo-shaped body allows it to cruise efficiently for long periods of time and then suddenly switch to high-speed bursts in pursuit of prey, sometimes even leaping out of the water. The great white has no known natural predator other than, on very rare occasions, the killer whale. It is the world's largest known extant macropredatory fish and is one of the primary predators of marine mammals. They will even take on a large baleen whale. They can swim at speeds of up to 25 kilometers per hour for short bursts and to depths of 1,200 meters. They are an epipelagic fish, observed mostly in the presence of rich game such as fur seals, sea lions, cetaceans, other sharks, fish and seabirds. Like other sharks, they have an extra sense which enables them to detect the electromagnetic field emitted by the movement of living animals. Megalodon is a member of an extinct species of megatooth shark that is considered to be the largest shark as well as the largest fish that ever lived. Goblin shark. They are a solitary species like many other sharks. Killer whale belongs to the oceanic dolphin family. They have good eyesight above and below the water, excellent hearing and a good sense of touch. They have exceptionally sophisticated echolocation abilities, detecting the location and characteristics of prey and other objects in the water by emitting clicks and listening for echoes. Please stay and watch another video with me. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.